Welcome to another day of accountability where I talk about what I learn in terms of data analysis. Today we shall be talking about relational databases. So, what is a relational database? A relational database is a collection of data organized into a table structure, and within this table, the data can be related based on data common to each other. Now, there are similarities between spreadsheets and relational databases because, as you know, spreadsheets can also have data that relates to each other based upon the columns and rows within the tables. So what are the similarities between a relational database and a spreadsheet? A relational database is built upon the principles that form a spreadsheet. That's my understanding of their relation. So, what are the advantages of a relational database? Well, there's flexibility to make changes. You can actually minimize redundancy because things are related, as well as create meaningful information, just to name a few. So, what are the use cases? Online transaction processing. I believe that's OLTP, where a large number of users can be accommodated, manage small amounts of data, support frequent queries and fast response times, which is obviously very important when it comes to transacting money. This is well suited for a data warehouse as well as the Internet of Things. In a data warehouse, it's well suited because of OLAP, I believe, which is online analysis processing. Then we have the limitations of a relational database. It's not for semi-structured and unstructured data. And when you're transferring data between two databases, right, which is one thing that I've noticed on Shopify in dealing with importing and exporting CSVs, is that the columns have to be similar so that the specific data can fall within those specific fields. So that means that the data types and the schemas or the schemes have to be similar, or else it's not going to work. So what are the features of a relational database? It is ideal for optimized storage, the transfer and retrieval of large data, as well as making sure that that large data is actually organized pretty well. Each table has unique sets of rows and columns. Relationships can be identified between tables. There's greater access to control and governance, and millions of data can be accessed based upon what it is that you're querying using SQL. And the fields can be restricted to certain data types and values. Besides for that, that's all I have to say about relational databases. We'll probably expand a little more on it, but it's actually great to learn. Peace.